If you are joining this 18-day physics sprint, then your goal is simple: maximum marks in minimum amount of time. And this course is specifically designed for that. Hi, I am Dharmesh Kareliya, MSc Physics. I have 14 years of experience in teaching all national level brands, and I have mentored all India ranks in NEET as well as JEE. Many of my students right now are in top government colleges, as well as many of them are in IITs and triple ITs. In last few years, I have noticed that students study a lot, but their efforts do not convert into marks. The real issue is not lack of theory or lack of hard work. The real issue is PYQ mastery and exam level thinking. So, in these last 18 days of NEET preparation, we will not waste our time in again revising all the theory. We will focus on PYQs that repeat pattern in past so many years in the NEET exam. Every day, we will solve 1 to 1.5 hours of PYQs, which I have carefully selected for your preparation of NEET exam. Every day, we will solve PYQs 1 to 1.5 hours that I have selected carefully for you. I will show you how to think in NEET exam, how to eliminate wrong options, how to avoid silly mistakes, and how to solve faster under pressure. But one thing is important: this course will work for you if you follow discipline. Number 1, attempt every live class. Number 2, keep error notebook with you. Number 3, try to solve before I solve the question. Number 4, revise on the same day. If you do this for 18 days, your score will improve for sure. Don't expect magic in 18 days. But if you follow seriously, your score will definitely improve in this 18 days course. Let's begin. Stay focused, stay consistent. Let's convert your preparation into marks.